am Chris Reed.
And I am Kim Schofield. We would like to welcome you to the Georgia State Capitol.
Each year, the Lupus Foundation participates in Lupus Awareness Day at the Georgia State Capitol. This is one of the most important opportunities for people impacted by lupus to advocate for our rights and to change policy.
Lupus Awareness Day is an opportunity to raise awareness about important issues that people impacted by lupus face through resolutions, proclamations, and interaction with legislators.
Lupus Awareness Day allows us to educate our elected officials.
It's really an easy process. We're here to show you how you can do it. Talking to an elected official is easy. It's like talking to a neighbor or a church member or a local business owner.
These elected officials are nurses, they're doctors, they're lawyers, they're ministers. They're not strangers because they live in your community.
So what do you do when you meet with your elected official on Lupus Awareness Day?
It's easy. You don't have to be an expert.
We're going to show you how.
Good morning, Senator Schofield.
Good morning. Nice to meet you. Thank you for coming. What can I do for you?
My name is Chris Reed and I live in your district. And I'm here on behalf of the Georgia chapter of the Lupus Foundation to support Lupus Awareness Day.
Oh, lupus. I've heard of that, but I don't know much about that disease. Tell me more.
Lupus is a chronic autoimmune condition that causes inflammation and tissue damage in virtually any organ in the body, including the blood, the kidneys, and the joints. Lupus is difficult to diagnose because it affects every patient differently. I've lived with lupus for over 25 years, and in that time, the disease has caused my immune system to attack my heart, lungs, and kidneys. Anytime my family needs to take time off from work while I'm in the hospital or at a doctor's appointment or just need medical attention, they receive paid sick leave when they are helping me make important medical decisions. But so many Georgians do not receive a paycheck if they're helping a loved one. I would like you to support the Family Care Act so that lupus patients and their families don't have to choose between caring for a loved one or a paycheck then putting dinner on the table. Can you support the Lupus Foundation and the Family Care Act?
Chris, thank you so much for sharing. I understand the significance of the Family Care Act because I have a daughter that has an autoimmune disease, and as a primary caretaker, I'm the one that has to take her to all of her doctor's appointments. And I know it must be hard living with something so devastating as lupus and having to choose between the people you love and the job you need. So I would be happy to support the Family Care Act.
Thank you, Senator Schofield. I would like to leave you with my story. It tells you a little bit about myself and my experience with lupus, and hopefully you can remember it when you're passing the Family Care Act.
You see, it's just that easy. Taking time to explain your story and how lupus impacts your life with an elected official is easier than you think.
And remember, once you've met with your elected official, leave them with your story and then send them a thank you note, a telephone call, or an email just to remind them of your meeting.
Remember, you have a voice, and we are taking lupus from a whisper to a shout so that all of Georgia knows that Lupus Awareness Day impacts not just one, but all of us.
We will see you this February for Lupus Awareness Day at the Georgia State Capitol.